Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to talk to you today about dead versus dormant grass. I am in North Carolina, zone 7A, and so during this time, this is the middle of July, it is extremely hot. The temperatures last week got up to the 90s and with no rain. I did water my grass once last week, but as you can see, there are some patches and there is a difference between dormant and dead grass. So right now there is nothing that I can do about it because it is July. So if you are in the middle of the summer trying to grow grass, now is not the time. But I did want to educate you on the difference between if your grass is dead or dormant. So if your grass is dormant, there is no need to worry. You just need to water it maybe once a week at about 2 inches. If your grass is dead, you are going to have to wait until about September in order to start anew. If your grass is dead, you're going to have to rip it up, aerate it and seed it and start anew. But if your grass is dormant, you just want to keep it just moist enough in order for it to revive itself during the fall. And what that means by just enough, you're going to water it about 2 inches once a week, just enough to keep the soil healthy. If you overwater it, it's going to saturate and it's going to burn and then it's going to die. So making sure that you know the difference is going to be the way that you handle this issue. Okay. So what does it mean to be dormant? Dormant just means that your grass is going into survival mode. It is protecting itself from the heat. So that like yellowish brown color is your grass protecting itself from the heat. Dead is what it sounds like. It's just dead. Dormant is a good thing. This is the grass's shielded layer to make sure that it survives until the weather changes. Right here, I can tell that the grass is dead because of how easily it just comes up. Not only is the color darker than the dormant grass, but it just comes like I'm literally not pulling it and it's just coming right up. So this patch is dead. Now this patch is dormant because I'm pulling the same, I'm even tugging and it's not coming up. The color is much lighter and it's not coming up. So this is dormant.